Hi everyone, this is Gary Note. In today's video, we're going to review the reporting tools available from the Keyfactor portal. So in the Reports menu, we can take a look at the Reports Manager. This is going to show all 20 of our most used reports that are included out of the box. These reports have been categorized, allowing for easy filtering. We've also allowed each report to be modified to be shown in the Navigator. So when we click Save here, if we go back to the Reports menu, we can now see our certificate count by template is available from the menu. Each report can be run interactively. So I'll select my report, choose which CA I would like to report against, and generate this report. Any interactive report should provide the ability to be exported. We can export the raw detail into Excel or the visual representation of the report to PDF. Most interactively run reports can be drilled into, so here we can click on our web server template and drill in to see more information about the certificates backing this particular report. Back in our Report Manager, we can also select the report that we want to schedule. So to schedule a report, we find the report details, we find the Schedule tab, we click Add. Here we can define how often we want the schedule to run, the format we want the data in. If there are parameters that need to be set for the particular report, they would be set here. And then we'll give it a date range. Once we've defined the parameters of our scheduled report, we can choose how to deliver that report. It can be saved to a central location or sent via email to particular recipients. Custom reports are also supported in the Keyfactor platform. Under Custom Reports, once a report is created in Logi, we can add a URL to that particular report in the Report Manager. That's it. That's the reporting functionality within the Keyfactor portal. Until next time, have a great day.